Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to yet another math online session. In today's module, we begin a new chapter, decimals. So, you had already studied about decimal in the previous class. So, let's first recall that and we will extend some more new concept in this module, in this chapter. So, let's get our class started. So, first, the introduction. The decimal, the word comes from Latin, which means decim, meaning 10. The value of decimal, each place in a decimal is 10 times the value to its right. So let's see that. This is how the decimal number is written. So here you see a number. It is 65.894. The left side of decimal is called the whole number part. This part is called whole number. The right side, which is after the decimal, it is called fractional part. In between whole number and decimal, in between whole number and fractional part, the point that is called decimal point. So next you can see another number in which each places are separately named. So left side it is whole number part. You know that the place names of the places, unit place, tens place, hundred place, and so on. In the decimal side, in the fractional part, the first place after the decimal is called tenth place, or it is written 1 by 10. Then second place is hundredth place, tenth place, then hundreds, which is represented 1 by 100. Then the third place is thousands. Third place is thousands, which can be written as 1 by 1000. So as we move to the left side of decimal, each place is 10 times bigger than the other. Then as we move to the right side, each place is 10 times smaller than the other. So let's learn more of it. So another decimal number, 45.6. So 6 is at the 10th place. If there is a question like 6 tenths, how do we write 6 tenths? 6 tenths is written as 6 by 10. In decimal form, it is 0 by 6. And this number is 45.6. Next, you can see two numbers. It is written in words. So first number is 7.29. After the decimal point, even though there are more than 2 digits, we can't read it as together. We have to read them as digit by digit. That is what 29. So 7.29. See another number, 63.174. After the decimal point, the numbers, each digit is read. Okay, next you see left of the decimal. So the value increases, and right side of the decimal part, if it moves, the value is getting decrease. So this is a model of decimal place value. The next we see here the place value chart. So you can see 100 place, tens place, you can see 100 place, tens place, ones place, then 10th place. 10th place is the first place after the decimal point. Then the second place, hundreds. So what is the difference between 100 and hundreds? See this th, and which is in the hundreds, it is in the decimal side. Hundreds in the hundreds in the whole number. And tenths and tens, th is there after n. So tenths is the first place after the decimal. Tens is in the whole number, middle place. Then thousands is the third place in the decimal. 1000 will be coming to the left side after the hundreds. So this is the place value chart. Next we are going to learn how the decimal numbers are represented. You have seen already the place value chart of decimal number. See, let us learn how do we represent decimal numbers on place value chart. For example, 20.8. So we have to represent this number. We know the places already, so we draw the table. We draw a table and we divide the columns. Then we divide the column. Here we give the 2. What is the place of 2? 2 is at the tens place. TENS, tens. and 0 is at the ones place, or we call unit place. So ones, then what is the name of this place of this 8? 8 is at tens place, TENTHS. So how do we add them? How do we insert this number in decimal in place value chart? 2 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place. So this is how 20.8. So the number is read as 20.8. So let us see one more number, 0.9. Next number is 0.9. So how do we add this number? So we draw the table. So let us draw the table first. See, for this number only 2 columns are needed because only it has 2 digits. So first left side place, the first place it is, what is the first place here? It is, the number is 0.9. Its whole number part, it is unit place or ones place, and after that tens place. So how it is represented? 0 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place. And let us see one more number, 11.3. So how do we write 11.3? In 11.3, tens place is there and ones place. Then after in the decimal side, tens place is there. So we need to have 3 columns for this number to represent this number. So the first place is tens place because the largest place is tens, then ones place or unit place, then tens place, TENTHS. So the tens place is also we can write as 1 by 10. Okay, so tens place is 1, tens place is 1, then again 1 place, again 1, then tens place, the digit is 3. This is how we represent the decimal numbers in the place value chart. Now next let us learn about representing decimal number. If the expanded form is given, how do we represent them? For example, just see 6 plus 4 by 10. So how do we write this number in decimal form? So 6 is in the unit place or ones place. Then 4 by 10 in the decimal part. So we insert decimal point, and 4 by 10 is 4/10. So the digit at the 10th place. So it is 6.4. See another number, 100 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 by 10. So 100 plus 4 plus 1 in the whole number part. So let's add and write 100 plus 4, 104 plus, so this is not 104, it is 40. So 100 plus 40 plus 1. So what is the sum? We get 141. Then 2 by 10 is at the decimal side. So before writing that, we have to insert a decimal point, 2/10. So the first place after the decimal point. So how many tenths are there? 2 tenths. So we write 2 here. So the number is 141.2. I hope you understood. Thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.